Hello there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today for another video. So I woke up this morning and put my shoes on, some tennis shoes, and decided to walk around the neighborhood wondering what type of video I would upload to the channel. And this is what I saw on my walk this morning. Isn't this nice? So you know how when you're first learning something there's going to be a learning curve, right? Well, it's so fitting that I found this saying. I heard a guy by the name of Les Smiles. Is his name Les Smiles? No, Les Brown. I'm thinking LSU or one of these football teams, but Les Brown. He said, failure is the mother of all success. And then how fitting that I would find a fortune cookie that said the same thing, right? Here's a video filled with bloopers. Guys, anytime you have something that you want to tackle, there's going to be a learning curve. And so I thought I would share with you when I first bought a Cricut machine, I messed up so much vinyl just beginning to learn. Even after having read all of the information that I could get my hands on, watching videos and what have you, there's still a learning curve. And as you can see here, I have my vinyl placed in the incorrect position on my mat because that clear glossy, that very shiny side is supposed to be face down. And what I did right here is I actually cut through that transfer paper. This paper is supposed to be what carries the project. So yeah, that one was gone, a total mess up. It should have been cut on the reverse side, the dull side. And so yeah, I had to throw that one away just so that you can see that we all don't master things the first time around. But guess what? Practice makes perfect, right? And the more you give yourself some room to grow, the better and the easier things will become. And I'm going to show you a few more bloopers. And now here I am trying to literally lift up on the transfer paper. Now look. Even though I have a little cheat sheet kind of like at the top corner that says top, I had to put that there purposefully. But I didn't secure the vinyl well enough against the mat. And when the I guess that housing where the blade sits started to roll over the vinyl, it's going to lift it up. Do you see it? Yep, wasted more vinyl, wasted another piece of vinyl right here. And let's see what this one does. I think with this one, I didn't position the vinyl against the mat in such a way that the blade itself was not cutting on the vinyl. It was literally cutting the mat. And so yeah, I wasted another piece of vinyl here. So I wanted to show you guys that everything takes a little practice. Now, I've since mastered this machine along with the design platform that Cricut offers, and it's really easy to me now, but I must be honest with you and let you know that in the beginning there is a learning curve. I would say anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. And I mean, even though I'm giving it to you in that kind of time frame like that, sometimes that 24 hours is accumulated over a weekend because life is happening all around us. There's other things that grabs our attention, and we're not able to literally sit down without a moments of interruption from either family or the phone or just something else that needs your attention. And here it is, you got to start all over. And yes, you will end up having some waste, but guess what? At the end of the day, what you retain from your failure will inevitably lead to much more success. My name is Sonia B. Dorsey, and I do not mind failing to get to my successes.
sunshine.